Number of competitors. In the first section of this step, you are shown how to use the Google operator All-in title to find pages that are specifically targeting a keyword phrase. This also gives you some indication of who is competing for that phrase. Once you have a list of competitors from that search, you can use these to find others. Google has the related operator. This operator works best when used with URLs, which you have from the previous section. Sometimes, you won't get any results for a website that you enter using the related operator. For example, PetSmart.com does not return any results, which is okay. Simply use another in the list. For example, try Petco.com, which does return results. Larger companies like PetSmart sell a wide range of products. Try to use websites that are more closely related to selling cat toys, or, better yet, interactive cat toys. Of course, you would have to alter this to whatever product or service you are selling. Honing the search will give a more accurate indication of the number of competitors. Next, sizing up the competition.